Hey guys, it's your awkward, quirky makeup artist friend Katsketch here today. We are doing an extra video this week. What? Who am I? On top of responsibilities, am I an adult now? We're doing a little extra video today that's not usually on a Makeup Mondays or Effects Fridays scheduling because Christmas is right around the corners. The holiday season, gift giving is here. And I thought I would do this video to test and unbox one of the most talked about subscription boxes on the internet that I've heard of, and I want to see if it really lives up to the hype. So we're gonna go through this box with Fabfitfun today. Today's video is partnered with Fabfitfun because I really wanted to see if the makeup, not only the makeup, but the fitness, the lifestyle products in here really match up to what they're saying, because they're claiming that for $49.99 a month you get over $200 worth of products, and you know me, I'm very honest, a little harsh and critical on my critiques on things, especially with makeup. So today we're gonna really go through this and see if it lives up to the hype. Today's video is partnered with Fabfitfun, and you know me, I don't like to work with people unless I really truly believe in them. And I have a feeling this is gonna be great because if it's over $200 worth of stuff, which you actually get it for $10 off your first box with the code SKETCH today. And no, I do not make money for how many people use that code. It's not like that, don't worry. I'm not here to steal your coin. We're just gonna go through and test out the makeup in here and all the stuff because I wanna see if it's really worth the hype on giving people this for Christmas. This is the winter box, and it's so cute. I have to appreciate as an artist the design of this. It is with Kindness Factor, so they're promoting acts of kindness this time of month with this company sponsoring it. So I love the design. It's so cute. Every season they have a new box, so you get this box and every new season you can buy it, and there's new designs on it, which is cute and adorable. So let's see what's inside. Ooh my gosh. First of all, I see, which I'm really excited about. If you guys follow me on Instagram, this is not for you to force you to follow me on Instagram, but every week I try a new recipe out because if you know me, I'm allergic to everything in live food, and I know that HelloFresh promotes like gluten-free and people who are allergy ridden like me, and you get a $60 gift card to try them out, and I've always wanted to try them out. If you know me, I'm obsessed with cooking. It's my one hobby I still have that I love to do because I don't draw anymore and makeup's my job, but I love cooking. So I can't wait to try that out. $60 gift card? What? I'm gonna be adding all of these coins to see if they go over $200. We're gonna have each price and then add it up at the end. And there's a cute little, you know, magazine about, you know, Fabfitfun, what kind of products you get. Oh, and when you order a Fabfitfun, there's a new way that you could customize some of the stuff you get in your box like next month in it, which is super cool. If you decide to do it, it's up to you. Let's go through. Oh, you get $10 off coupon already in your next box. Okay, let's go through makeup first, shall we? Because we are a makeup guru channel. Is that what we are? I don't know. This is the PUR Be Your Selfie palette, and I love PUR Cosmetics because not only do they smell like amazing vanilla cupcakes, they're eyeshadows, but they're very creamy. I love this color right here called Strong because it's like a brick red mixed with a muted brown, and it is a beautiful color. They have so many transition shades in an all over eyeshadow shade. They're super creamy. PUR Cosmetics is one of my favorite eyeshadow brands. They're super pigmented. They glide on really nice. And what I love about this could definitely work for all skin tones, and it's a neutral palette that almost anyone would wear. It's a full-size palette. What? So what else is in this winter box is Thrive Cosmetics. They say cosmetic like cause, which is super cool. What I love about this box as well, and the subscription box in general, they support female companies and companies that go towards giving. Ooh, okay, this is a highlighting stick. So you could top it on top of other highlighters. It's a cream highlighter. It doesn't feel sticky or oily or greasy. It's very lightweight, and it's like the glow from within, so you could really build it up. Mix it with other highlighters. This for the, ooh, I forgot to do inner corner today. Oh, now I'm set, girl. Oh my gosh, yes. I can't believe I forgot to do that, and now this just sets it off. This for brow highlighter and inner corner. Ooh, and Cupid's bow. Mama, you're set. I love the consistency of these Thrive Cosmetics highlighter sticks. And I'm so excited about this. This is the Bite Beauty Lipstick and Meringue. What I love about Bite Beauty is it's all natural. You could, don't do this, but you could practically eat this. And the quality of these bullets are like the NARS packaging, to where it's like super nice to feel. It's over 95% natural. It's like, it smells so good. And this color is like an everyday beautiful mauvey pink. It's like pink with a hint of brown in it. So this will look good on literally everybody. I love how they're catering to like people and women that are everyday with these makeup. I just realized that this has a sharpener at the end. Okay, I love it even more now. This is getting exciting, and we're adding up this price of the whole box. Now let's go into more lifestyle and like skincare. If you know me, like I said before, I am ridden with allergies. It's a sad, sad life and a problem for me. And when I wake up during the wintertime, when it's like dead cold raining in California and then it gets sunnier the next day, my sinuses ache and my eyes swell up and I look like a mutant. But I use stuff like this, and I'm so excited that I got this. This is the BLAQ eye mask with hyaluronic acid. It helps depuff those eyes when I feel like a creature from the Black Lagoon in the morning. This will definitely help. I'm super excited and stoked about that. Another thing that helps is those diffusers, aromatherapy things that you plug into your wall, and it like gets water to do like this mist in the air, and it looks magical like you're in a lagoon at night, but you're just trying to stay alive and breathe at night. And what I put in mine is essential oils, so I'm so excited that this is in here because it has energizing sweet orange and revitalizing eucalyptus, which I am an essential oil. I have like all of them to put on my temples, and I have some to put on my nose. Like, I have multitudes of oils for my face and different parts of it and different things they do. So this, I don't have these scents. I almost said flavors, like it's ice cream. I'm stoked. I love orange. This is exciting. We're only like halfway through. I thought there would be a lot of packaging in here, but it's not. The packaging I thought it was is actually other things that we're gonna go through, other products. Oribe is in here. What? This is so like high-end and classy. If you know someone who's addicted to dry shampoo like this girl is right here, who loves like hair products, who loves doing their hair, who doesn't like to wash their hair every day and gets oil and buildup but wants volume, this is like the Mercedes-Benz of dry shampoos. It's so classy and it gives you volume in your hair. I've been using this stuff for years, only when I could afford it. It's so pricey. So the fact that this is in here is amazing. And they smell so nice, like an expensive luxury store I can't afford. So excited about this because I ran out. Another thing that's really cool that's in here is a hydrating cream mask for your face, which, you know me, I have the driest skin like a desert. And the older I get, the drier my skin gets, especially in the winter time. So I can't wait to try this. And it is allergy tested, paraben free for sensitive skinned people like me for only 3 to 5 minutes. Amazing. Oh my gosh. And there's a Bear Paw brand of mittens. They're not just any mittens, they're fingerless mittens, so you could text your friends while you're freezing cold outside, and you have a little headband with the shearling on it that looks like, oh, so cute. This is awesome. I don't even own anything like this. What? I can't wait to go in the snow somewhere in California. Yes, we have snow in the mountains here, and use that. And what I also am going to use and put this, I thought this was packaging, but this is just filled to the brim with stuff. It's not packaging. It's a throw blanket from Mark and Graham. And this company, you could personalize your throw blankets, and they're super duper soft. They're like baby blankets. You know how soft baby blankets are? But for adults. And you can personalize them on their website. So they go like up to really high-end prices. This one is so nice. And I can't wait to snuggle up with this on my couch with some hot cocoa. So that was my winter box from Fabfitfun. It's over $200 worth of products. Let's see, it did exceed that. It went to over $300 worth of products for $49.99. With my code SKETCH, you get the whole box for $39.99. So that's pretty amazing. $39.99. What? What? And like I said before, you could have a thing now with them where you could customize what you want to get in it, kind of more personalize what you want. They support female-founded companies and nonprofits, which is amazing. Cruelty-free stuff as well, which is super important. And this is a fantastic idea for Christmas. If you can't even afford $39.99 for a friend, if they love dry shampoo, does this exceed it? This might. I don't know. But just even the PUR Cosmetics eyeshadow palettes, their eyeshadow palettes are bomb. And the Bite Beauty lipsticks, if you know someone that loves all natural makeup, that stuff is amazing. All in all, I think this is totally worth it. It's great for Christmas as a holiday gift. I'm gonna put down below all of the links to get your coupon code for this and how you get it. If you want to, it's there for you. I'll also put a list down below of all of the subscription boxes that I think are totally worth it that I've subscribed to before and that I love. That would be a great gift for the holiday season. But Fabfitfun I think is like my #1, probably the best for its money. And what I love most about this, to be honest, is I don't have the funds to try out all the stuff in Anthropologie and Sephora, and with this, you get to try them out for a single price, hundreds of dollars worth of stuff. So thanks again to Fabfitfun. Thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to do another video with you all. This was an extra little video sprinkled on top of those other videos that you should subscribe to. On Mondays we do Makeup Mondays, and on Fridays we do Effects Friday videos. So I will see you then in one of those videos. Thank you all again. I will talk to you later. Bye!